Good morning, everyone. Today I'm starting another topic, that is the entry of USA in the World War II from the chapter Nazism and Rise of Hitler's Power. Here we will see just that USA was very much willing to join this war, that is World War II. So this was willingness which was shown by the USA, as it was one of the powerful country during that period. And another reason for this entry of USA in the World War II was that Japanese power was also Japanese power was also seen in the east of the particular area, and it has mostly occupied Indochina. It has mostly occupied, means Japanese power was mostly seen in the eastern part, and this power occupied Indochina. And what happened, another incident which took place, that USA, that United States of America, bombed that period only Hiroshima. That is another place, this was a place where the USA bombed in this particular area, that is Hiroshima. And this was another reason that the USA joined this World War II. And finally the conclusion was, after joining also, though USA was one of the powerful country during that period in all the sense, but still the result of the war was that the war ended with the Hitler's defeat, and it was year 1945. So in this way World War II ended, and the result was it was a defeat of Hitler's. Now the Nazi, in the view of Nazi worldwide, the views of Nazi worldwide, there were no equality. No equality was seen there among the people, but there was a racial hierarchy. And it also followed the concept of evolution during that period, when Nazi was seen in this respect, that there was a concept of evolution, there was a survival for the fittest, we can say in another language, and Aryans were declared as a race to be the finest, one of the finest racial was confined to the Aryans. They were considered to be one of the finest race, and developed the concept of Lebanism, which acquired new territories and lived settlement of finest race, means only the finest race people were allowed to settle in the views of Nazi, that is in the sense of Nazi worldwide, we can say. So establishment of only the racial state was there, creation of exclusive pure German, we can say. Pure German means only German. Those whose parents, mother and father, both were German, they were referred to with pure German. They were only included in this particular group. That is another, we can say, Nordic Aryans, as I have made it clear in the earlier. That is physical elimination of undesirable, means undesirable categories which is not mentioned here, they were not actually accepted here. And any kind of mentally or physically unfit people from the Jews, they were also not allowed to settle here. So this was a new Nazis worldwide view which was seen in these all categories. So in the next video, just I have said, we will be continuing with the racial utopia. In the next video we will continue with. Till time, what you do is, you have to just give 5 next thing what you have to do is, you write in a copy about the 5 effect which was seen in the World War II, and what was the next Nazi worldwide view when the Nazi was created, what was a new way of seeing the people. You have to mention here 4 to 5 points. 4 to 5 points you have to mention here for both. So these 2 questions you will solve it out, write down in your copy and submit in your Google Classroom. I'll be just checking out there. Thank you. Till time, take care and have a nice day.